Been given the chance to look around a Fastrac 4220. I mean,
right, stop the video a second, stop the video. There appears to be a chainsaw outside, if you can't already hear it. Someone's decided to use a chainsaw while I'm trying to do a video, as if they knew I was trying to do a video. Can't believe it. Do apologise.
today I've been given the chance to look around a Fastrac 4220. I mean, you can see by my clothing that I'm wearing John Deere, but I am unbiased and I like most things. Farming, I like tractors, I like everything. But I've not really had a good look around a Fastrac. Yeah, so today I was given the opportunity to go and have a little look round and have a little test to see if I like it. I mean, let's give you a little show. I mean, look at that trailer to begin with. Stuart Trailer Road King, tri-axle, absolute sodding weapon. Look at the size of that. That is a trailer. I think I see it in the summer on grain cart, and I'm sure he had three fills from Alexa in it, whatever grain tank size that is. That is ginormous. Right, let's get to the Fastrac. So from first looks, I like it, yeah. What we got? What tyres we got? Trellis 600s, nice wide tyres. I like how mean these tractors are getting the front end. I mean, from say, let's have a little look over here. The old 7930. Bit droopy. We've got an I-series over there. Again, coming up, but we're talking about a Fastrac today. This is the 4220, 220 horse. I don't know if that's the engine or if that's the boosted power. I don't know much about the Fastrac, so I'm having a little look around today. This isn't a technical guide as such. What we got on the back, I like. Nice height for the hoses. Don't know if I like. Got your standard setup, air brakes, trailer brake, hydraulic. Nice little mirror. See the drawbar. That is a light package in it, Jesus. Has it got them all around? Yeah, Jesus. Full LED light package. Electric mirrors. I got told about this 900 weight on the back here. Apparently, if that's off, it handles like a bag of potatoes. So I'll get around the other side of it, drowning in the weight. Against the wall, so you can't really see. Look, but they brought this one, John Deere Green Star Ready. Nice little, a bit dark. Got a nice little toolbox on the side. Yeah, so at first glance, I quite like this. So I've never driven a Fastrac, never had anything to do with Fastracs. Obviously JCB, every bloody person has a telehandler. I mean, even this farm's got a telehandler, JCB. I think. Might have a little look inside. What we got there? A blue. You got transmission dipstick, easy to get to. I like. What about the engine oil dipstick? Can you get to that? Is that it there? I think that's it there. You'd have to full lock the front wheel to get in there. That's not too bad. Oh, you can squeeze in there, that'll be alright. Front linkage in the weight, nice. What about hydraulic coils? Is that the same? Yeah. There's that, isn't it? Let's have a look inside. Right, I'm inside now. Apologies for the lighting, it's a bit dark in here. But we've got two sick, look at that effect. It's like Jesus is shining down on the Fastrac. Well, I'm inside, leather seat, it's nice, snazzy, loads of room. There is loads of room. Get my legs right up. Good for the snoozes. I think we should start her up. Oh mate, calm down. Now, I judge a tractor straight away on the seat. Obviously you're in it all the time. And I've judged it between it being a jeans seat, which means obviously you can wear jeans, which is what you're supposed to wear most of the time, or it's a tracky bottom seat. And to be honest, my jeans are going up my back, so I'm going to class this as a tracky bottom seat. It's not a bad thing, just is what it is. I think it's the leather. I'm getting a bit of grip on my belt, that's what it is. I'm getting grip on my belt. Right, seat, comfy, plenty of adjustments, all the usual, armrest, doodah doodah. The second thing I judge is where the Redders sits. And to be honest, I'm starting to get a bit worried that there's nowhere to stick the Redders. Oh, there's a drinks holder down here. But that is not a nice place. So I'm going to have to give you a solid 2 out of 10 for the Redders holder, I'm afraid. That's not very good. But they're just my 2 qualms so far. Stereo. All the controls on the side there. Got your 2-wheel steer, 4-wheel steer, some arms, PGA speeds and settings. There's 4-wheel drive, diff lock, slip. This is the button. If she ain't got a twin beacon, she nay do, bruv. Look at that. Wipers, rear one. Oh, this is that LED light package. Jesus! That's a lot to choose from. That's a bit more brighter, isn't it? JCB 4000 touchscreen. Touched it. So it's showing you what spool is set to the armrest as well. You've got a spool setting on the joystick, you can't see that's a bit blurry. Got a set of spools on there, you can just see me touching them there, yeah. And we've got some arm settings, hitch settings, front and back, revs. Yeah, so, where's the old seat? Adjustment on the seat, good. Cool. Right, let's give it some brumming. So she's a clutch down one. Nice. Quite noisy, is it closed? No, the door's not closed. Door's a bit hard to close. So only a couple of niggles so far, but they're... It is a tractor, isn't it? They ain't Rolls Royces, that's for sure. No, I like it so far. So we're just waiting for the air to build up. Apparently I'm in... Air's done. Apparently I'm in 2-wheel steer. Put that to 4. Handbrake off, clutch down. Right. Ooh, that's really smooth. That is nice. Forwards. Playing with the transmission settings here. I like playing with stuff when you don't know how to use it. Best way to learn. So that's reverse high. Very snares. Forwards. Yeah, good brakes. Kind of want to road test it, but she's got some grain on the back. I think they're storing some grain, and it means opening the door and going out in the cold. Hopefully, when she's working one day, it'd be nice to sit on grain cart or something. That'd be pretty cool. When she's proper working, see what she pulls like. That is a good test, isn't it? Need to see fully loaded what these Fastracs are like. Well, those 200 odd, 220 oddish horsepower. What is she like loaded? I bet it drops it right down. There's a hill around here we can test. Quite a big hill. Yeah, no, I like it. Very nice tractor indeed. I don't know if they stopped making the 4000 series though. I think they stopped making them. So this ain't a technical guide, I've just never sat in one before. Cover that up. Cover that up. I'm an impartial tractor driver. I like them all. This is pretty cool. But this time of the year it's freezing, there ain't much on really, so I can't really see them in the fields. I suppose that concludes our little look around the Fastrac for today anyway, because it's cold. But no, really like it, really like it. You get really comfy down here. I don't think the girlfriends of the Fastrac drivers are particularly fond of the machine. There we go. No, very nice thought out tractor. I'd like to have a proper go in it, so hopefully in the summer I'll pop up when he's on grain cart or a bit of fertilising or something, but no, that'd be good. Always take your rubbish with you. So, little recap. Don't like the seat, rides my trousers up. I don't like the armrest, it's like a shovel. But that is a very well thought out tractor.